Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people in today's video, we want to talk about chronicler, Labas, Akeem, Campbell. So viewers and subscribers, chronicler was arrested in Atlanta, Georgia by ICE agent, and now them transfer chronicler from Atlanta, Georgia to South Florida. Seeing, so chronicler is now in a ICE facility in South Florida, Alligator, Alcatraz. So them have chronicler that are one of the worst detention center in the United States of America. The worst one in Florida. Most people claim that the facility, the detention center, is inhumane. Saying it's not human friendly. No human being not supposed to lock up or detain in a them type of condition there. The condition where chronicler find himself in it is a serious condition right now. The whole system there designed for break you, for mess with your head mentally, for drive you crazy. The way how Alligator Alcatraz is set up, it a go break you. Chronicler will never be the same, and we don't know how long them a go hold chronicler deso. But we know say the situation a go break him. Chronicler we talk about dark room and sing about a whole heap of dark place. Now find himself faced with reality. The things them when sing about, the therapist thing them when talk about, the darkness when live, the darkness when portray. Now him find himself in the darkest place in the United States of America right now as an illegal alien. So the situation where chronicler find himself in right now, it a go break him. Seeing? It is inhumane. We have different group of activists in the United States of America. I try get them to close down the detention center. Day by day, people out there protest. I say no human being not supposed to live so. Seeing out there in the Everglades, and anybody where they in Jamaica or anywhere in the world when I know about Florida. Florida have one of the biggest swamp in the world. One of the biggest swamp in the United States of America is called the Everglades swamp. Appear crocodile out there, so alligator out there, so snake out there, so the most deadliest creature them surround the whole detention center. You can't escape. See, you have soldier, you have police, you have water, all different type of security out there where the people them have to deal with, the people them will get detained have to deal with on a daily basis. The tallest fence with barbed wire, security camera. They sell them little. They sell them look like cage. It look like a place where supposed to be a zoo where you're supposed to raise animal. Seeing I saw this, so look, it is inhumane, fit for human being get locked up or live or detained in a them condition there. Even if you jump the barbed wire and them not shoot you and you do escape, you have to worry about crocodile, you have to worry about snake, you have to worry about python, them big snake there, boa restrictor will squeeze you to death, then them swallow you. You have to worry about cottonmouth snake, you have to worry about diamondback rattlesnake. A crazy amount of snake live in Florida, plus spider with crazy venom, snake with crazy venom, plus the mosquito them out there, different. So the situation where Chronicler find himself in after them transfer him from Atlanta, Georgia, go Florida in the Alligator Alcatraz. It's not a nice place. Nobody who no want go there. So we see people where go there so come out or them get deported, go back to them country and them a bar like, baby, you will never be the same. The place was designed to break you mentally. So even if them deport you and send you back to your country, you not even want to go through the border again. You don't want to find yourself in the United States of America again because you don't want to go through the system there. You know how much people them deport go back to Mexico? Them deport some Mexican all 10 times, 15 times, and them still find way if you go back in the United States. And after them see the Alligator Alcatraz, after them get a experience there so, after them detain them for a couple of months there so, enough of them decide to them not take that risk there again. And this is not a good look for law boss. Yes, squad 6 boss escape it. We think squad 6 boss would end up at Alligator Alcatraz, but no, squad 6 boss did find himself at a Chrome detention center. So squad 6 boss never have to go through that. And the system where squad 6 boss did inner that the detention center there Chrome, him did free too. Cause enough of them artists or enough of them so-called bad man used to Jamaican prisoner, Jamaican cell. Plus enough of them have them friends. Plus them know say them still there Jamaica. But one of the worst thing, if you get locked up in a foreign country. Yes, we no wish no bad for nobody cause the whole of we are Jamaican. And we like when a man come in at the United States of America, pause and do what he's supposed to do and work and try get him bread in a the honest way. But Chronicler rich, him never have to find himself in that situation. Yeah, and yes, we know enough people come through the border and come in the United States of America to look a better life for themselves and them family. Pause. And enough of them get caught up and eyes hold on upon them. Yes, some of them did a work illegally or a work under the table, but enough of them never commit no crime or no violence. Them just did a work for them honest bread. Cause them have to eat, they want clothes, they want food, they want a roof over them head, so them have to work. But enough of them coming at the United States of America, pause again with the same friggery, with the same problem, with the same dirty life. And yes, me see, enough people run out in the comment section and style me. Me see enough Gaza fans run out in the comment section and style me. Me see Chronicler fans them run out as well and style me. Me see some man where you can't see no avatar, them not even have up a picture and ask me why me a hide me face. When you see me a rep, me army fatigue, and enough of una go on like say, on a bad, or on a wicked, or on a tough. At least me cover me face, but you can still see say, me there you saw talk to no. Enough of una push badness from a keyboard. And enough of you see where badness reach enough of them 87 them. Enough of them end up a prison or them end up a graveyard. Enough of you favorite artists them. One who defend like Squash, like Chronicler, like Vice Cartel, like Jacure, like Buju them or Ninja Man or Tamili. You see where it put them end up behind bars. No found out here push badness and a defend cartel. And see when Vice Cartel come from prison, the man turn baby. Uno see cartel out here a push badness. No cartel saying suffer from PTSD. No cartel say enough time him can't sleep at night. No cartel say when him hear keys a rackle, him head go off because him feel like him still there behind bars. I wanna come out here so I try push badness. After we are say few videos them are educational videos where people can learn from. Me can teach you things, you can teach me things as well. Seeing, and the video is educational purpose. So enough other artists where the Jamaica no make the mistake where Vice Cartel make. 13 years in life in lose when can't get back. Enough DJ that yard we no want them to make a mistake where Squash make. So if Chronicler did I listen to couple bloggers and hear say the man them a watched everything where Squash do. Listen to him phone call them. Them a watch him social media, him YouTube them. Them a watch him Instagram. Chronicler wouldn't take heed. Seeing after we are tell the artists them say no for the tool them wanna put up in the music video them a draw attention to uno and uno still now listen after the government even come out and ban no for the gun them wanna use in a music video uno still wanna use them and when uno end up in a certain situation uno expect people to have sympathy for uno when uno are no picking. No found in our 40s, on the 30s, on a big man with picking. And if no found have kids, and don't know how to conduct and carry on yourself, how no expect to be role models to no kids. No found I try this me way for they tell the artist to be careful like darkness when I sing about the artist black and the artist I sing some song we make the artist black out. All know we can't see the artist or the artist black out. Look on the situation where the artist inner. But the artist now want learn. Busy Signal did get locked in the United States of America. And we see where Buju Banton go through. We see what happen when them rush Mad Cabra, when them catch him in a car with the substance. Only hear nothing from Mad Cabra and then the man them take with themself. A crazy people only see get deported, go back to Jamaica for Coca-Cola guns, badness, crime and violence. And only still no one listen. And no found in there in the comment section, I go say anyone who buck me. One I go do. What do someone know? Someone know me tell them something. 25 years. Seeing in the US Special Forces. 25 years in the US Special Forces. We've been there, done that. Get deployed. Iraq. Afghanistan, what no I talk about? You can't tell me nothing about badness. Can't, you think me just wear this up? We live it. We live it. We go to some training where we make on vomit and puke. We live the life. We live the life, but we do it the legal way. What do you know? What do you know? Somehow no need for bill because you see some people on the internet and through them not show them face or no hear them attack on the down with some people background for no Jamaican badness and no badness. On the local badness want to come a foreign with and a badness. 25 year Special Forces. Look it up. Our donor. We got some place out here. We make someone no shit up. Got some place out here we make running belly when I go have. Running belly. What do know? Some training with someone that I know about. I jump out of some plane with parachute. Wanna know about. Wanna know about badness. Wanna chill. We just do this for part-time and for uplift the youths them. Even though I mix up and gossip, we still can teach you youths them certain things. So what not talk about? Hmm? What I talk about? Hmm? Someone no need to touch at some place where you have to know where you put your foot. What I know about badness? What I know about badness? Yo, let me get back to our character, cause someone don't know on yourself. So me just say this chronic situation. Seeing everybody can learn from it. Seeing, and we are say when it comes to badness, you can't trust certain people. People want to say on a friend. You can't trust people because there is no honor among thieves. Seeing, nationwide actually reach out to the ICE department to get some information. Seeing, pan chronicler, and them say no information at this time because investigation is pending. That mean them a interrogate chronicler, them a pressure him because them want information from chronicler. Me tell you say every time they hold a sprat, a banger, them a go want the bigger fish. Them a go want the shark. Them a go want the whale. See? So when an artist like chronicler find himself in a room, see, with agents, see, them a record everything when he do, every movement. If him a sweat, them know say him under pressure, how him talk, how him pronounce him words, how him articulate himself. Them know if him a tell lie. Them know if them a break him. Them want information out of chronicler. Chronicler is a Jamaican artist. So the man them do them research. You think them a go interrogate chronicler without doing them research? Them a go do them research. So them a go know the song them when him sing. Them a go know which part in a Jamaica he come from. Them a go know every information about him. Everything when put on the internet, everything when post, everyone when associate himself with, them are gonna know. And then have a problem bugging phone. And they want every information out of him. See, remember, he's not an American citizen or an immigrant. Him depend on a work permit. See? So the artist's work permit is at risk as well. You think them just a go deport him so when them find him with a stolen firearm, plus him not supposed to have no gun with him at all, and he have 4. Them want know how him come by them gun there. Who buy a game? Them a go run the gun them and see if he come off of the black market. Me tell you before, say the Jamaican government and the American government are work together. Them a try crack down on crime. Jamaica last year, the first time in a years, have less than 1,000 murder. See? And them know say most of the Dan them were called the shots live overseas. And do them crime in the United States of America and send back the money go to Jamaica to invest in a crime. Them a send back tool go to Jamaica as well. Coca-Cola left Jamaica come overseas as well. Uno think Homeland Security a idiot. Uno think ICE a idiot. Uno think the feds them a idiot. Me tell uno say once Squash find himself in a situation there, everybody will associate themselves with Squash need to take with themselves. No phone call, no linkage. It a go look like a sellout. But at the feds, only thing the feds now go pressure Squash as well. Them a go try trick him as well. Them a go throw some time upon him as well. Even if him have been liar, When him start hear certain amount of time, how you think him a go act? All when the lawyer say re man a go feel away. When a man they na sell and know saying they in a foreign country, no linkage round him. And no mobile this way man can come look for you, mother and father and everybody. This is not Kingston where everybody can come look for you. And me say to you at the end of the day, you see J-Man get locked up, then Squash get locked up, then Radisha get locked up, then Chronic Law get locked up, Squash father I get deported. And me say allegedly, or this look shaky, some inform in a guan. But no for you, instead I want to tell the artists them the truth. And don't support certain song, only support the artists them in a friggery. So when them do F-up song, if one did that, tell them say F-up song and don't support it, then we don't have to change them lyrics, or we don't have to change them cadence, or we don't have to change them delivery, or the things them where them write. But when one support it, them say yes, this a work, that a work, or this the people them love. No for we as bloggers we come out here and talk, love the artists them more than Uno. No for Uno we come out here and say Gaza. Remember so Uno did say Vice Cartel for dead at jail. And no for Uno name support Vice Cartel. You know how much tragedy Vice Cartel have to use or how much people wagon him have to ride to keep relevant in a prison. And when Vice Cartel come a road, you hold on and run out. Cartel, Gaza this, Gaza that. As me saying in my video them before, somehow no disrespect people for some artists who no know. And somehow no disrespect people the way how no defend artists. Ono na defend ono kids them so. Ono na defend ono brother them so. Ono na defend ono mother and father so. The way how somehow no these people for artists, if ono they put that time there in our career, in our life, no for ono would have better. This is a learning situation. No for ono out here a defend some artists. The love wanna give artists, ono no give ono family them love there. See? But Chronic Law find himself in a situation when enough young youths look up to him and youths them can learn from his mistake. When him do so is a learning process. When him get out, and he must know if him a go continue. No for them artists a career over no. No for them not talented like Vibes Cartel no. No for them not have the fan base like Cartel no. And no for them did out here no. Have to provide for their mother, fathers, friends and everybody. And then find themselves in a frig up situation. And uno a go beat the bloggers them when a them give it things to talk about. No for the tool them. Want to see them artists here send back at Jamaica. The money where them a make and put it in a crime and violence. A phone or brother and sister, it a go hurt. No founder don't holler to me when on hear so on a brother get shot. No founder don't holler when on hear on the kids get shot. No founder don't bawl to me when on a family member get shot. The same crime and violence where Chronic Law a sing about. Say how him invest in a gun like a supermarket when the same gun turn pound a family member. Don't cry to me no. No for no. The song them want to support no. See? The song them want to support. And them same song there. When it turn reality and reach on the family, don't cry. No for the freedom where somehow no have in other world here. One can be able in our country if you watch on TV. When you don't have to worry about certain people running pan the US, and we out there fight for that. No for the chat one can come pan the internet and chat, and because we did out there a fight for no. So no for must know on yourself. Because sometimes when you see people and you know people, for no badness and no badness. Me tell you now at the end of the day, one badness, there another world here, and a government badness. Government badness. Somehow no sound a bad man. At some point in time, the law I go catch up to you, or in the same criminal activity I go catch up to you. And enough I want put certain things on the internet and I behave somewhere. At the end of the day, when karma reach you, don't cry to me. But chronicler find himself in an alligator Alcatraz right now. It's not a good human condition. But I wanna help support him fi put him when there. And the song them wanna support. And the man sing about darkness. He sing about crime. And he sing about griminess. And now the crime and the griminess are hold him. Me know he had diarrhea. Me know him a ball like a baby. Me know he feel it. Especially when him hear the Jano Star. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man.